When I started riding my bike, that time I didn't on my Google Map, mobile's Google Map. So unfortunately, I went a wrong road. Then I have come New Market. So since I have come to the New Market, so I feel like I should stay on Kilkhat. This rickshaw pushed me. I feel like I should slap him. একটু আগে চাপ দিয়ে লাগে লেগে একটু আগে চাপ দিয়েই লাগে তুমি দেখে এবা না হ্যাঁ তুমি তো আমার সাইডে চাপ দিয়েছো That rickshaw puller was telling me that was his mistake, but why will he do these types of mistake? I got a trip from Nilkhet. It is Nilkhet, and now I am going to Shonirakra Gwalbari More for 150 taka. I got this trip after 3 minutes arriving here. And I feel like it may be less than 3 minutes.